If you're looking for ready-to-press DTF transfers, custom apparel, or want to upload your design and order a gang sheet, then look no further. So rather than talk your ears off, I'm going to just show you what kind of quality you can expect if you order from CB Graphx. Now I'm about to go ahead and transfer a couple of designs so you can see how well they transfer and how our custom apparel looks. Alright, so that's finished pressing, and I only use hot transfer film so you don't have to wait for it to cool down. If you order a gang sheet or a single design from me, you can peel it instantly. And y'all see how smooth that peeled off? No issues at all. Grab my finishing sheet, place it on here. So here's how the design is looking after it being pressed. And as you can see, nice vibrant colors and very detailed. All right, so I already got this design centered. I already did my 5-second press to release the moisture and use my lint roller. We're gonna go ahead and get this one done. All right, so that has finished pressing. And like I said, I only use hot transfer film so you can peel it instantly. And y'all see how smooth that transferred? We're gonna go ahead and grab the finishing sheet, apply it, and now I'm gonna bring y'all in so y'all can take a look at it. And as y'all can see, this one also transferred well. You can see the colors are nice and vibrant. And this is what you can expect if you order ready-to-press DTF transfers from us, or you upload your design and let me do the printing for you. But if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching.